With Ninang Danica and Ninang Wife. Let's give a big round of applause for Mommy Bea Botes and Baby Victoria Ho. Oh, darling, don't you ever go.
Bea Botes, pinabinyagan na ang anak na si Baby Hope Victoria. Kinuhang ninang syempre ang kanyang best friend na si Andrea Brillantes. 5 months old nga si Baby, pinanganak noong December 2025. Pinakita na rin ni Bea ang magandang face ng kanyang anak at isang proud mama nga siya.
Today we begin a meaningful
Sinama nga ni Bea ang dalawang best friend niya sa entrance nila ni Baby Hope sa reception venue ng binyag. Sabi niya sa caption, "You decided to walk with your besties during your baby's grand entrance. Sometimes in life, all you really need are genuine female friendships."
Ho. Oh, darling, don't you ever go.
Sila nga ang pinakamalapit na kaibigan ni Bea at tumulong sa kanya ang tunay na nagmamahal. Hindi nga ganun kadali ang maging single mom pero sa tulong ng mga kaibigan at pamilya ay makakaya ito. Kinuhang ninang din ni Bea si Zainab Baraka at kasama din ni Zainab na umaten ang kanyang asawang si Ray Parks. Nandito rin ang kapatid ni Zainab, pati sina Zach na kinuhang ninang din. Present din syempre si Mami Oni. Maraming girl friendship si Bea Botes na naka-attend dito. Nagpapasalamat nga siya at naglaan ng oras para sa binyag ng kanyang baby girl.
Everyone look here please. And 1, 2. One more. And last one.
Ang cute-cute nga mag-smile nito ang si Baby. Sabi nga sa caption ni Zainab, "Welcome to God's family. Little angel, as your godparents, we promise to guide, love, and pray for you always. May God bless you with a beautiful life filled with faith and happiness. We love you both so much."
Thanks everyone for making time and being here. It really means so much to me and I love you guys. Yun lang. Thank you everyone.
Palakpakan naman natin, everybody. Maraming salamat. I know that those were just a few words because it had just begun.
Thank you everyone.
Palakpakan naman natin, everybody. Maraming salamat. I know, maraming salamat. I know that those were just a few words.
Sa caption naman ni Sophie, "Our beautiful baby P Ninang Soph can't wait to watch you grow into a kind, strong-willed, and blessed girl. I will always be here for you and your mom. I love you both so much."
Nakakatawa.
Resilient Riva.
Si Au, si Au.
Kasi may emotion.
Feeling ko kay Aura amazing.
So tignan mo yung kanya.
Ano, amazing.
Sinunod mo talaga ako. Hirap sumunod eh. Hello, I'm Resilient Riva. Wow! And of course, Danica. Hello,
Ay, hindi
I'm
pa pala siya.
Delicate Danica. Wow! Delicate! Said delicately. Yes, Aura.
Me?
Okay. Wait lang. Dito
Pwede hindi ba? Bigyan natin siya ng ano, bigyan natin siya ng spotlight.
Ay!
Hi everyone, I'm Aura with a bold aura.
Oh! Let's go! May lakad na.
Ay!
So, wala pa.
Mahusay.
Alam, siniserve tayo kay Blythe. Pinakahuli, abangan, let's go.
Enjoy din ang mga ninang ni Baby Hope at may palaro nga kasi na nakahanda para sa kanila. Sina Andrea, Aura, kasali din, sina Mami Oni at Sachna. Kaya saya-saya nga ng palaro, enjoy lahat.
Nakakatawa!
Resilient Riva.
Si Au.
Kasi may emotion.
Feeling ko
din
kay
ako.
Aura amazing.
So, tignan mo yung
Ay,
kanya.
Au,
Tignan mo
Au.
yun.
Amazing.
Sinunod mo talaga. Hirap sumunod eh. Hello, I'm Resilient Riva.
Sabi ni Daisy, welcome to the Christian world, baby. May God guide you your every step and bless your journey with love, faith, and happiness. Sabi naman ng netizens, seeing Hope around surrounded by so much love feels so surreal. Like, what do you mean she used to be in her mommy's belly while her ninangs and ninongs were crying because they couldn't believe they were having a mini Bea? They look like fairy godmothers from Sleeping Beauty. Swerte ni Baby P ang gaganda at ang babait at ang yayaman ng kanyang tatlong mommy.